here we go. Type Tempo into Google search Google Play, Tempo, and then install. After you install it, click open, or you can click into your mobile phone to the app logo. Then click the pop dance and unlock for free. Click that also and agree and continue. Wait for a moment and then retry. Agree and continue again. And then choose a picture. Then be sure you have a stock photos. Yes. Clear. That's it. And wait for the video. And that's it. Voila! You have a new viral video. So thank you very much. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and also subscribe. And hit the notification bell. Bye-bye!